While there isn't much you can do to avoid a hurricane, you can take steps to prepare. Before the storm hits, 1. Know how and where to shut off the power and gas. 2. Move valuables to a higher floor. 3. Create an emergency kit. 4. Fill vehicle with gas, stock with emergency supplies and be prepared to evacuate. 5. Cover windows with permanent storm shutters or marine plywood. 6. Charge cell phone to have a full battery. 7. Turn refrigerator to the coldest setting. During the storm, 1. Evacuate immediately when told. 2. Take emergency kit, follow posted evacuation routes and do not take shortcuts. 3. Stay indoors and away from windows and glass doors. 4. Never use gasoline-powered or charcoal-burning devices inside. 5. If trapped, go to the highest level. 6. Do not go into closed attic or closet. After the storm, 1. Listen to authorities for information and special instruction. 2. Never walk or drive on flooded roads or through water. 3. Turn off the electrical system, gas lines, and plumbing. 4. Take photos of any property damage. 5. Wear gloves, safety glasses, rubber boots, and masks. 6. Don't touch wet electrical equipment. 7. Don't drink tap water if you're not sure it's safe. We can help. Our goal is to provide the highest level of service at a price within industry standards and insurance guidelines. We're here to help. Call PuroClean Woodlands 832-562-4422.